Good morning, gifters. Welcome to Read Aloud. We have been learning all about plants and flowers and seeds and how they grow. Today, we are going to look at two books and practice telling what's the same and different about them. So today we're going to look at From Seed to Pumpkin and Planting a Rainbow to think about how are these books the same and different, because great readers can tell what's different and the same about books. Before we do that, I want to look at some seeds. Our books both tell about how different seeds grow. These are pumpkin seeds. These are flower seeds. What happens when seeds grow? Yeah, a seedling can grow, roots go down, leaves start to grow, flowers start to grow, and even pumpkins. Now today, your job as a reader is to contrast two texts. Say contrast. Contrast means we're going to tell what is different. What is? About what the books teach. So both of these books are informational, which means they teach real facts. And when we read parts of both books, we're going to think, what is Planting a Rainbow teaching me that's different from seed to pumpkin? We're going to think about what is different. What is? Okay, you've got this. We've done this before, and I know you are almost in first grade, so you're totally ready. Let's start by reading parts of each book. So, in From Seed to Pumpkin, we're going to read two parts. When spring winds warm the earth, a farmer plants hundreds of pumpkin seeds. As the plants get bigger, the seeds crack open. Stems sprout up and roots dig down. Inside the roots are tubes, and water travels up the tubes the way juice goes up a straw. Pumpkins change color. As they ripen, they change from green to yellow, then to orange. In just 4 months, small, flat, white pumpkin seeds have grown into big, fat, orange pumpkins. The pumpkins are ripe and round with lumps and bumps. They come in all shapes and sizes, and they're waiting in the autumn sun. What grows at the end of this book? Yes, pumpkins. Now, let's read part of Planting a Rainbow, and you're going to think, what is different? What is the different thing this book is teaching me? We have some red flowers, and orange flowers, and some yellow flowers. We grow something green, and some blue flowers, and some purple flowers too. Now, what grows at the end of this book? Yeah, different kinds of flowers. Is that the same as what grew in this book? No, these books are teaching that how different plants can grow. Okay. Let's read 2 more parts to think about something else that's different. Some pumpkins will be carved into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Some will be baked into pumpkin pies for Thanksgiving. I know we answered this question yesterday, but I want to know one more time. How do people use pumpkins? Exactly. They carve a jack-o'-lantern and they make pumpkin pie. Okay, do you think that people use flowers in the same way? I don't think so. Let's see how people use flowers and how it's different. All summer long, we pick them and bring them home. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. So, Kipsters, how do people use flowers? Yeah, they can pick them and make them into a bouquet, eh? A bouquet is like a bunch of flowers that might be different or the same that you can give to somebody or put in a vase, just like mine right here. Okay, so let's look at our Venn diagram to really tell what is the same and different about these two books. All right. So here's our Venn diagram. In the middle, we tell what is the same because that's where the circles touch. In this part, we're only going to write about what is true for planting a rainbow. And on this side of the circle, we're only going to write for what's true about from seed to pumpkin. So let's first talk about what's the same in the middle. Both of the books teach how plants grow. Both of the books teach about plants in different seasons. But in planting a rainbow, you only learn about how flowers grow. And you learn that people can use flowers to make bouquets. From Seed to Pumpkin did not teach us about flowers or how they can be bouquets. We learned about flowers a little bit because they grow on the pumpkin plant, but we didn't really learn how a flower grows like we did in planting a rainbow. Okay, in From Seed to Pumpkin, it taught us how pumpkins grow and that people use pumpkins for food and for fun. Did planting a rainbow teach us about pumpkins? No, so that is different. That is? All right, now that you know what's the same and different about these books, it's time to take out a pencil and a piece of paper so we can do the exit ticket and you can send it to your teacher. Go get it, go get it. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Which text teaches only about pumpkin plants? A, From Seed to Pumpkin, B, Planting a Rainbow, or C, both? Which teaches about pumpkin plants? A, From Seed to Pumpkin, B, Planting a Rainbow, or C, both? Write down A, B, or C. You ready? Number 2. Which text teaches that flowers can grow from bulbs? A, From Seed to Pumpkin, B, Planting a Rainbow, or C, both? Write down your answer and send it to your teacher. We had so much fun this week learning about flowers and pumpkins and seeds. And next week we're going to get to read even more books. And we're going to get to read some fiction books and hear some stories about what people can do with flowers. Kipsters, your teachers love you and miss you, and we will see you soon.